We're going to take a look at word problem episode I. First thing I'm always going to do is read the problem, then go back and highlight. So on Monday, there was no snow on the ground in Buffalo, New York. On Tuesday, 3 inches of snow fell. On Wednesday, a ½ inch of snow melted. On Thursday, 2.5 more inches fell. On Friday, another 1.5 inches melted. How much snow was left on the ground Friday night? Whew, that seems like a whole lot of information. This one's going to be pretty hard to keep track of. So, on Monday, there was no snow. On Tuesday, 3 inches of snow fell. So I'm going to highlight that in green because that's like growth, and I think of green go, green grow. Close enough. So that might help me keep track. 3 inches. On Wednesday, a ½ inch of snow melted. So just like I think of green for growing, I can think of red of stopping. So on Wednesday, a ½ inch melted. On Thursday, 2.5 more inches fell, so that's growing again. 2.5 on Thursday. And then on Friday, another 1.5 inches melted. How much snow is left on the ground Friday night? So I know that each day it's either growing from or subtracting from the amount of snow the previous day, so the day before. So this is kind of going to be like one really long problem that lasts throughout the whole week. So just to make sure I don't get confused, I'm going to go through and mark down each day of the week and what happens to the snow that day. So I'm going to look at all the days. I want to write in black, 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to look at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So Monday, we started just with nothing, so I'm just going to put 0. On Tuesday, we added 3 inches. On Wednesday, we lost 1.5 inches. 0.5 is the same as half. On Thursday, 2.5 more inches fell, so that was adding 2.5. And on Friday, another 1.5 inches melted. All right, so I know that I'm going to be taking all these steps in this order because that's the way it happened that week. So I'm going to start with Monday. So 0 plus 3, that equals 3. 3 point nothing. It's not 3.5, it's just 3. 3 whole. All right, on Tuesday, between Tuesday and Wednesday, we lost 1.5. Minus 1.5. So I'm going to do that quickly. I can do 0 minus 0. That equals 0. I can't do 0 minus 5. I'm going to need to borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5. I'm going to drop my decimal. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So at the end of Wednesday night, there was 1.5 inches on the ground. Started Monday. We added 3 inches on Tuesday. We lost 1.5 inches Wednesday. That brings us to Thursday. We're going to add 2.5 inches of snow. So adding that together, 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. And I'm going to drop that decimal. So now we marked off what happened Thursday night. We were left with 4 inches. Friday, we lost 1.5 inches. So 1.50. So 0 minus 0 is 0. I can't do 0 minus 5, so I need to borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5. Drop my decimal. And then 3 minus 1 is 2. So after the day on Friday losing 1.5 inches, Friday night they were left with 2.5 inches. So there was 2.5 inches of snow left on Friday night. All right, this one was super tricky, so let me know if you have any questions or need any help. Yeah, good luck and have fun. This is a good one to solve.